turning now to a new edition of On the Bill, where we tell you about a bill out of Albany that you might not hear about otherwise. This week, we're talking about A3226, also called the Birds and Bees Protection Act. It's a bill that would ban the use of corn, soybean, and wheat seeds coated with neonic-coated, a class of pesticides, also called neonics. And it's based on a report from Cornell University from 3 years ago. They basically looked at a bunch of research on neonics and compiled it all in a report. And that report found that using neonics had mixed results. They're generally effective at keeping pests away, particularly for field crops like corn and soybeans. But the report also said that neonics can sometimes have a devastating effect on pollinators, bees in particular. Researchers looked at 96 sets of data on neonic exposure in field crop settings. And based on that data, they found that more than half the time, exposure to neonics is likely to impact the physiology and behavior of bees. And about a third of the time, they're likely to impact bee reproduction. And that's why some lawmakers want to ban the pesticides. In New York, Assembly Environmental Conservation Chair Deborah Glick.
The bill is limited to coated seeds. And there are invasive species, there are targeted reasons to use certain chemicals in certain instances. But this casual, routine, prophylactic use of these chemicals on seeds for wheat, corn, and soybean has created damage.
But farmers who use those seeds say they don't have an alternative because using neonics has become the norm, they say. Finding enough untreated seeds would be really difficult. Remember, we're talking about seeds for those huge cornfields you see on farms all across upstate. Jay Swede owns one of those farms.
If I could get untreated seed for what I need to do, then my question is, how do I manage through these pests? And I don't have an answer for that either. And so I'm kind of stuck in a position where I really don't know. I don't know what my options would be, especially a pest that we don't know it's there until it's already done its damage.
We'll let you know if that bill is passed this session.